Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I want us to head to a waterfall or something. Yeah, this is a vlog, and I want us to go to a place where we have a waterfall, and actually it is calm. That place is calm, and yeah, it is a good site where you can take plenty of pictures. So guys, stay tuned and see you on that side. So guys, and this is the route that we are going to take for us to head to the waterfall. It is a bit steep and bushy at some point. So guys, don't forget that today is on a weekend, so we just need to relax our minds. So that is why we are going to the waterfall. So yeah. So guys, we are still walking, and actually I feel good, and yeah, I feel good, and actually I'm planning on something on the channel, so you might see me updating so many things here and there. So yeah, just to make you guys happy, and yeah. And guys, before I forget, guys, we have this reservoir, and can we say it has some fish?
Yeah, it has some fish,
Yeah,
actually.
we have some tilapia in this dam, or not even a dam. These are reservoir. Yeah, and the water is used for watering the plants that we can see here. Yeah.
Farmers.
So mostly this place is habited by farmers, where there is plenty of maybe maize farming. We have onion, cabbages, and kales. And for those who love sugarcane, it is also plenty in this area, and yeah. So guys, we have just landed at Igoda, and this is where we have a lot of coffee berries, where they are dried and prepared for sales. Yeah, and you can see we have this is where they are laid so that they can be dried by the sun. Yes, and I kinda feel very happy, and yeah, actually this is very, it is.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you again. you discover it is within each other to forgive and make up.
Actually, we have a bridge, and guys, it is scary. This is so scary. This is a man-made bridge. Wow! Scary. Look at that. Look at it. Wow. This is scary. So we have the river. Down here we have the river, and it serves the factory with the processing water, and maybe for the cooling of machine, washing of the berries and such. Yeah, and it also provides water for the people who are around this place, maybe for farming and other stuff, but not drinking. This is not a drinkable water. Yeah. So guys, we are at the river, and this is the Walai River. And up here, I will pick you up here where we have the waterfall. But where I am, we have the river behind me. And actually, the water is not that much, and it is a bit clean. So, and I can say actually it is a cool place, just for the environment here. So we have a forest around, and so guys, actually that is one of the few spots that we have in this place. And as I had already told you earlier, that this place we have a hill, and this is the hill, and actually it is very steep, and it also has a forest. This is a forest. It also has a forest. This is a forest. Okay? waterfall. Actually, we have another portion that is on the upper side, and you can see there is plenty of water. And so guys, this is a place where most tourists can come and enjoy what the world has to offer. And there we have my friend who is enjoying himself. So guys, I love this place. na yeye dive. Cheki, nataka mfanye aje, nyinyi wote mpande pale juu. Mna dive mmoja mmoja mkiwa umefuatana. Kudive mmoja mmoja mkiwa umefuatana. We, Washira. Na wamenyelele hapo. Twendeni. Si anafaa kuruka hapa nini hapa? We, tegea. Wetu. We, tulia, hao wengine wapande, si mpande, nataka mfuatane. Nataka mfuatane. Nyinyi wote mfuatane. We, kaa hapo. Usitoke hapo. Acha huyu apande huko juu. Wewe panda haraka bana. Wewe Jimmy panda haraka bana. Cheki. Mmoja mmoja. Ngoja afike, ngoja afike. Haya. Wa kwanza. Hebu tuone video.